Hey folks, Mr. Hartzler here, and I want to talk to you about adding and subtracting polynomials. And these really aren't too bad, so we're not going to worry too much about them. We do need to be careful though and make sure we're finding like terms. So we notice things like x squared, they have to have the same letter, same kind of letters, all of the combinations, right? It has to be the same letter and the same exponent on that letter. Then the next one, I have 2x and 3x. The number out in front doesn't matter. It's that they have the same letters and the same exponents on those letters, and they're assumed to be 1 unless it's written otherwise. And then I have a 4 and an 8, and I can combine those. Those are just our constants. So now if I'm adding all those things up, my x squared and 2x squared, that gets me 3x squareds. 2x plus 3x gets me 5x's, and then 4 plus 8 gets me 12. There's my answer. It doesn't ask me to factor it, nothing else. It literally asks me to add or subtract the polynomials. Next one. I have to be careful here. They're putting it on top and bottom, which doesn't really make a big impact for me. But that's an x squared and that's an x cubed. That means those two things are not like terms. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add some space in here. So I'm going to just copy them over. 3x cubed. And then I have no x squared. So notice I got 3x cubed, and then I go to x. So I'm going to put 0 x squareds, and then plus my 4x and plus 5. I'm going to do the same thing with that top one, except actually I can go over farther, right? Because I don't have any x cubes. I just have 2x squareds plus 3x's plus 2. So 3x cubed, and then I don't have anything above it, so I'm just going to bring that down. 2x squareds plus no x squareds gets me still 2x squareds. Then 3x and 4x gets me 7x. 2 and 5 get me 7. And then that is it for this one. Let's look over here. Difference is subtracting, right? Look at that subtraction sign in the middle. So I need to remember that that subtraction sign gets distributed to all of the parentheses past it. So 2x squared and 4x squared are like terms. Let's see, 5x and 2x are like terms. 3 and 7 are like terms. Okay. 2x squared minus 4x squared. So 2x minus 4x squared. Sorry, 2x squared minus 4x squared. That gives me negative 2x squared, right? 2 minus 4. All right, next one. Negative 5 minus a positive 2. That gets me a negative 3x, right? Negative 5 minus a positive 2. Next one, 3 minus a negative 7. So that actually ends up being double negatives for that 7. 3 minus a negative 7. I'll write that off to the side. That gets me positives then, right? So that's 10. Now I'm down here. Same kind of situation as before, right? I have a 3x cubed and I have an 8x squared. Those are not like terms. Let's just leave them like this. I think we can handle this. So that's a negative 3x cubed, because that negative goes to everything on the bottom. Then I have an 8x squared minus no x squareds. So that's just a 8x squared. Then I have a negative 6x minus 4x. So that's negative 10. Negative 6 minus 4. 2 minus 5 gets me negative 3. And then that one's done. How nice. And that's all, folks. See, I told you it really wasn't that bad. Hope you liked the video, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day.